Nobody taught you how to budget in school. They taught you the Pythagorean theorem, but not what to do with your paycheck. That ends today, because there is one budgeting rule so simple you can set it up in under 10 minutes. It is called the 50-30-20 rule, and it might be the only financial system you ever need. Let's start with the basics. The 50-30-20 rule splits your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to savings and debt. That is it. No spreadsheets with 47 categories. No tracking every single latte, just 3 numbers. Category 1, needs, 50%. Needs are the things you literally cannot live without. Rent or mortgage payments go here. Groceries go here. Utilities, phone bills, transportation, and health insurance go here. Minimum debt payments also count as needs. If you make $3,000 a month after taxes, your needs budget is $1,500. That is your hard ceiling for the essentials. Now here is where most people mess up. They count things as needs that are actually wants. Netflix is not a need. A gym membership is not a need. Your $14 Spotify premium is not a need. Be honest with yourself about this category. If your needs are eating up more than 50%, that is a signal. It means your housing or car payment might be too expensive for your income right now. And that is important information to have. Category 2, wants, 30%. Wants are everything that makes life fun. Dining out goes here. Streaming subscriptions go here. New clothes, concerts, travel, video games, ED, all wants. Using the same $3,000 example, your wants budget is $900 a month. $900 is actually a lot of money for fun. The 50-30-20 rule does not ask you to stop living. It just asks you to be intentional about it. If you blow $700 on going out in one weekend, that is fine. But your other wants for the month just got a lot tighter. The system keeps you accountable without making you feel like you are being punished. Category 3, savings and debt, 20%. This is the category that actually builds wealth. 20% of your income goes toward your future self. Emergency fund contributions go here. Investing in index funds or ETFs goes here. Extra debt payments beyond the minimum go here. Contributions to your 401k or Roth IRA go here. On a $3,000 income, that is $600 a month going toward your financial future. $600 a month invested consistently starting at age 22 could grow to over $250,000 by the time you are 50. That is the power of starting early. Even if $600 feels impossible right now, start with whatever you can. $50 a month still beats $0 a month every single time. How to actually set this up? Step 1. Calculate your monthly after-tax income. Check your pay stub and find the net pay amount. If your income varies, use a conservative average from the last 3 months. Step 2. Multiply that number by 0.50, 0.30, and 0.20. Those are your 3 budget buckets. Step 3. Track your current spending for 1 week. Use your bank app or a free tool like Mint or YNAB. Just see where your money is actually going right now. Step 4. Compare your current spending to your 50-30-20 targets. Most people find their wants category is way over budget. That is normal. And now you know where to adjust. Step 5. Automate your savings first. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account on payday. Pay yourself before you have a chance to spend it. This one move will change your financial life more than anything else on this list. What if the percentages do not work for me? Here is the truth. The 50-30-20 rule is a starting point, not a law. If you live in a high cost of living city, your needs might take up 60% or even 65%. That is okay. Adjust the wants category down, not the savings category. Protecting that 20% is what separates people who build wealth from people who wonder where their money went. If you have high-interest debt, Some people flip the rule and put 30% toward debt payoff aggressively. There is no perfect version. The best budget is the one you actually stick to. A real example. Let's say you just got your first job making $45,000 a year. After taxes, you might take home around $3,200 a month depending on your state. 50% needs, $1,600. Rent, groceries, phone, transportation. 30% wants, $960. Going out, subscriptions, shopping. 20% savings, $640. Emergency fund, Roth IRA, investments. $640 a month into a Roth IRA and index funds at 22 years old is genuinely life-changing. Most people your age are not doing this. The ones who start now are the ones who retire early. The biggest mistake people make. They wait until they have enough money to start budgeting. That day never comes. The 50-30-20 rule works at $2,000 a month, and it works at $20,000 a month. The habits you build right now are the ones that follow you for life. Start messy. Start small. Start today. You now know more about budgeting than most adults twice your age. The 50-30-20 rule is simple because simple is what actually gets done. Pick up your phone, open your banking app, and run the numbers on your last month. See which category is out of line. Then fix just that one thing. That is your homework. If this helped you, subscribe. Because every week we break down money concepts that school never taught you. Your future self will thank you.